So, you've got a typical USB keyboard, but you want to use it on your Mac. The problem? The layout feels all wrong. The Windows key and the Alt key are swapped compared to a real Apple keyboard, and your muscle memory is taking a hit. The good news is you don't need to buy a magic keyboard to get that Mac experience. macOS has a built-in feature that lets you fix this in seconds. First, let's head over to your system settings. You can find this below the dock, or just search for keyboard in the Spotlight search. Once you're in the keyboard menu, look for a button labeled Modifier Keys. If you're on a newer version of macOS, you might need to click on Keyboard Shortcuts first, then look for Modifier Keys in the sidebar on the left. This window is where the magic happens. Step 1. Look at the top drop-down menu and make sure you select your USB keyboard from the list. You don't want to accidentally change the settings for your MacBook's built-in keys. Step 2. Now let's reassign the keys to match the Mac layout. Most people want their thumb to naturally hit the Command key. To do this, find the Option key entry and change it to Command. Then find the Command key entry and change it to Option. By swapping these two, your Windows key will now act as the Option key, and your Alt key will act as the Command key. And that's it. A simple, free way to make any USB keyboard feel right at home on your Mac. If this helped you out, give the video a like and comment down below. If you have a USB keyboard that has RGB light on it, you may want to try this guide on how to make it work on macOS.